Hi, cutie. I love when he puts his little paws in front of his face. You're so cute. But anyways, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. I look so crusty right now. My pimples are just inflamed because I popped them last night. Don't do that, especially after you post a skincare video talking about how your skin looks good. And then the next video you post, these are all here. Anyways, what is up? I'm really excited because I'm vlogging. I wanted to start doing like vlogs every now and then, you know, throw it in on a Friday. YouTube's low-key boring right now, and I've just been watching vlogs. I never liked vlogs before, but I don't know, it's interesting. I just like knowing what people do. I'm nosy. I love looking back and just seeing everything that I did. Like I had some Hawaii vlogs that I didn't even post because there wasn't enough footage, but still it's cute to look back on. And yeah, I stepped on a dead bird. I heard its skull crack. I was scarred. Ew. What did I? That's a dead bird. I'm recording. I just recorded. Oh my god. Wait for me. I'm gonna just I thought it was corn of the chew. It's like I felt the texture. Alright, that's it. I'm going vegan. Yeah, like little things like that are fun to remember. So let's get this day started, hoes. My arm is sore already. It's coffee time. I have my little coffee drawer. Oh, thanks, Diego. Let's try that again. I have my little coffee drawer. Ooh, this is my favorite coffee at the moment. I was obsessed with the Kona blend because, you know, hashtag Hawaii, but like I tried this and I just love nutty coffee. Yay! We got a thicky jug. Ugh, she smacks. Bro, why do I look so crusty? I swear every time I take off my eyelash extensions, I feel... And also, I didn't even take them off properly. Like, I literally ripped them. Is this TMI? I was literally sitting there just ripping them off my eyelashes. Like, don't lie. Don't act like you've never done that. It's satisfying, okay? I love this nutty caramel coffee. Okay, seriously, I need to stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because this... Look at this wreck of PR packages. Okay, now that is all of the packages. We got PR packages, things I just need to open and put away, giveaway prizes, stuff I'm sending to my mom. I'm gonna open this box right here, and I think this one, yep. Okay, we got both of them. I bought a new tripod. My current mini tripod is broken, like the head doesn't hold the weight of my cameras, so it just falls forward. It would be the perfect height. So let's open this bad boy. Nice, Simba baby. Any new package or thing that I bring home, Simba has to smell it. Look at him. What is that? And next, I bought a brand new camera lens. I'm so freaking excited. This is just like one of those YouTuber things. I'm like, ooh, camera lens. But if you're curious, this is the 11 to 22 millimeter lens. Basically, it's a wide angle. It's a wide angle lens and I wanted this for vlogging. Hi, you want to smell that? Yes, it's paper. This zooms in to 22 milliliters. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You are currently at 15 millimeters. And when I zoom you up, ooh, bye. Okay, this is 45 millimeters. So like, you know, beauty guru Marina would have loved that. We're back at 15 and now this is 11 millimeters. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. Wow. We're going to leave her like this for now. Oh my god, wait, this is such a nice little vlogging setup. I cleaned all of my makeup brushes last night. No, my face brushes are still kind of wet. Okay, that means I'm gonna have to use all dirty brushes. Woo! Bad skin day! So I picked up a couple of makeup products. We got the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna try this out today. We got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. This looks like this. And then I got the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Looks like that. And then, of course, I had to get my Fenty gloss in Fussy. This is my all-time favorite gloss ever. This just makes me like 10 times cuter. We are gonna try the e.l.f. concealer today, and then I also want to try the Hydra Mist setting powder. So I just got the mini size. Oh. Okay, that was not satisfying. I got it in the color medium peach. Hopefully this is my color. And the applicator is like the Tarte Shape Tape. It's like big and thick. Ooh, okay, just kidding. It's like a little bit light. Oh no. It does look pretty good for under the eyes, but it does slightly emphasize the dryness. Maybe not for like my flaky pimple right there, but this does look good as a nice little under eye concealer. Alright guys, makeup is done. I feel so naked without my lashes. So I am either gonna try the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection in Veil. Looks like this. Or I'm gonna try the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. This one looks a little bit more, the e.l.f. one looks a little bit more natural. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with the Kiss. This is the finished makeup. Let's go get changed. I freaking love picking out my outfits in the morning, but wait, let me get in better light. We're en route to Target. So freaking cute. I can never resist. They don't have my nut caramel. Okay, that took way longer than expected. Also, they didn't even have everything that I needed, so I still have to go to Walmart right now. Ew! Don't tell me my ears were like this the entire time. I didn't even tell you guys what I'm here at Target shopping for, but basically, look at how cute. I'm buying the giveaway box and wrapping paper so that I can make it nice and cute for whoever the winner is. Also, I love vlogging and having people celebrate me. Ooh. I can't say I do, but no. What's up guys? It's the next day. We have all of our goodies. Second bag from Target, Walmart bag, and I laid out all of the PR packages that we have to go through and open. The 2 Sephora bags are the giveaway winner prizes. I wanted to decorate it with you guys. It's gonna be a fun time. Let me just show you guys everything that I got yesterday. So I got 48 cups of the Kona Blend Archer Farms. I don't know. This is just some good Kona coffee. Diego already used one this morning. Then I got the Donut Shop medium roast coffee decaf because currently I only have the Starbucks house blend and that's trash. I wanted to try this baby out. Next Target bag, I got some wax strips. Got 2 things of, I don't even know what this is, paper shreds to put in the giveaway box. I got some matching tissue paper. Then I got a cute bow and some double-sided tape. Also, I'm about to make a TikTok with all of these things. Okay, moving on to Walmart. Of course, I had to get my Nutty Caramel. Thank God that they had it because I don't know what I would do. Nutty Caramel and Kona coffee are my favorite coffees, and I already used one this morning. She's right here. Then the rest of the things, oh, I actually have this guy. Oh my God, I forgot about this. I picked up some cute little head wraps. We got the red one. Is that plaid? I don't know. Then I also got this one. It's like this. Fall vibes, even though it's winter. Okay, so Puma, they actually sent me a giant box of shoes and I already opened all of them, but I found this one in my car. So apparently I didn't even open this one. Wait, actually these are kind of nice though. I would have never bought this for myself, and I also don't wear maroon, but this is actually really cute and this could spice up my workout fits. And I'm in need of a good solid workout shoe anyways, so yay. Let's do rimmel. So this is from Rimmel London. We got our scissors. Scissors check. Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they gave me 1, 2, 3 Stay Glossy lip glosses and 3 lip sticks. This is what they look like up close. Let's try this one. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, you guys, the formula of this is so good. Like, it literally instantly hydrated my lips right now. What? Is that what it's supposed to do? One of the new Glossy Shade. Our moisturizing, non-sticky, high shine formula provides 6 hours of wear and can be worn alone or over a lipstick. I love that! This is in the color 710 Honey. It's just like a little light pink nude. And then this one is in the color 125 Down to Gloss. Let's just try it for fun. Okay. Oh my gosh, wow, you can actually see the difference. Look at this gloss! Okay, this lighting situation is getting really irritating, so we're moving the party right here by the window. Got 3 lipsticks. This one is in 720 Snatch. It smells good. Ooh, it looks like this. It curves in to the shape of your lip. Then we have Liti, L-I-T-I in a 610, and this is a nice orangey red color. And then we have 205, and this is a purple. Okay, next let's open this baby. I already opened the top part, but I never looked inside yet. Card. Oh, I thought that this was something else the entire time, but this was actually a gift for Christmas from my management team. Anyways, they sent me a cute little card, and let's see what this is. Smells so good. What is this? We got this. Oh, cute! Empowering women in Los Angeles to break the cycle of homelessness. Your purchase helps fund our career training and mentorship programs. Aww. And I think these are 3 little candles, and they're aesthetic. Okay, since I already cut open this Lush package, we'll open this baby up. What is this? Ooh, Wasabi Sean Kui shampoo. Looks like that. I have no idea what this is. Lush is fun. You always have to like look through this. Ooh, Candy Rain conditioner. Let's smell this. Just kidding, I can't even smell it. Looks like that. We got some Sea Spray hair mist. Looks like that. What is this? Okay. Ooh, this smells so good. What is this? Fly Away Hair shampoo bar. Yay! I freaking love Lush. Thanks. Okay, next we're going with Profusion Cosmetics Mirage. New for fall 2019. I'm so bad at PR. Stack it somewhere and then I forget about it. But this is the new Mirage Fall 2019 collection. Ooh. Profusion is so cute. They always wrap all of their items. Oh, that's it. A palette. Oh, this is cute. The glitters though. Okay, this is hard to show because of the reflection. Now we have Laura Mercier, Marina Griffith. Let's read this first. Also, if you guys are wondering, this is what little PR cards look like. They normally just give a little background on the products that they send you. Ooh. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, it's a new tinted moisturizer. How cute. It comes with a little lock and key that I have to open. Oh, come on. And then I can't open it. It has a mirror. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, they sent me 2 shades. One is in the color Natural Radiance. And then they also sent me 3 and 1 Sand. Oh, if this is good, I'm gonna be really effing excited. Oh, we have another package from Laura Mercier. We have another box. Let's see what's inside. My name on a cardigan. They sent me so much. Okay, what do we have? We have the foundation primer. I freaking love this. Wait, hydrating. Don't tell me. Oh my god. I love the normal foundation primer, but they made a hydrating one. My skin is so dry. Bro, stop. Okay, I am so excited to try this out. If this works good, then I might start using this one instead of my Fenty hydrating primer because that's the only reason why I liked it more than this one. They sent me the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and let's see what color they gave me. 2W1.5. Let's see. Hopefully this matches. Wait, this looks a little light. No, this definitely is too light for me. This is what it looks like. We got the normal foundation primer. Love this. We love a good backup. I love new products. And then we got 3 different shades of the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. So these are all of the concealer shades. Now we have Physicians Formula. I freaking knew it. This is the Whaley X Physicians Formula collection. When I was in LA, I was supposed to go to her little event for the launch of her palette, and I couldn't make it. I'm really sad though because they had puppies. This is what it looks like. I love the little palm leaf. Reminds me of home. Can you tell I'm homesick? Ooh! Oh my god, it smells so good. Cute! Okay. Now you guys can see. This is the palette. The classic bronzers. This one is the sunset bronzer, and then this one is the deep bronzer. 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and it smells amazing. Hey, I'm really excited to try that. Okay, I just put this here to make the background look more full, but this was from an old Lush PR package and I repackaged it for something else that I need to ship away. So that doesn't have anything in it. This, we got a Polaroid digital picture frame. I could plug my SD card or a flash drive, I'm pretty sure, and I could put this on the side of my bed, just play some pictures. So yeah, super cute. The last PR package, this big daddy, Shein. They sent me this a long time ago. I think this was supposed to be my Christmas gift from them because it got here on the 23rd, but I was in Hawaii. Celebrate all things Shein. The entire Shein team was obsessed with your haul video. Cute. Hope to work more together in the new year. Love, Jennifer. Oh, they sent me a Polaroid camera. The Mini 9 in gray. This is so cute. Tell me why I was literally about to buy a new one. We got some film. Oh my god. No, you're kidding. Bro, is this my face? They put my face on a blanket. Oh my god, it's me and Diego! This is so cute! Oh my god! They put me and Diego. Got me holding my 700K balloon. Happy holidays, love Shein. Oh my god, and my iconic picture. This picture got sent to me so many times because it was in all of the Shein ads. They used my picture for this hat. Cute! That was so cute. What a great way to end this PR unboxing haul. But I gotta clean up this wreck. And then we're gonna put together our giveaway box. Let's do this.
Urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.